So we configured the point-to-point and LAN2 in this router. We also configured the interface fast Ethernet 0/0 with IP DHCP helper. So this router will forward the traffic from broadcast to the port of FortiGate. Now we need to configure port 1 from our FortiGate and to configure DHCP for the remote site to assign IP addresses from this network 172.16.2.0/24. Okay, let's start. So this is the dashboard of our FortiGate. Go to network, interfaces. Let's see the port 3, which for the local network of the main office. This, which we configured in the last section. This is the IP of the interface as a gateway for the local network, and we enable DHCP server from the range of the port network. Now let's go to the port 1. So let's make it 2 branch 1. We can select LAN or 1 or DMZ. So let's LAN. Okay. The IP is 10.10.1.1/30. Let's enable only ping this interface and configure the DHCP. As you see here, by default, it takes the IP from the interface, but we need to configure 172.16.2.2 to 172.16.2.254. As you see here, this is not compatible with the net mask, so we need to change it as 24. Specify the default gateway for this is 172.16.2.1, which the IP address of the router fast Ethernet 0/0. And okay, and that's it. It's very easy. So let's first check the reachability between the FortiGate and the router. So execute ping 10.10.2, which is the interface of the router. Now let's try to ping the remote LAN, so 72.16.2.1, and that's it. Okay, let's turn in our topology. So as we see, now we have the reachability from or between FortiGate and this router. We can ping this IP from FortiGate as we have seen together. Now we need to see the DHCP in this computer. So click here. So let's see, show IP. No IP address assigned yet. IP DHCP and go. and that's okay. So this computer have taken the IP from here. So in the network here, it was the broadcast, and the router forwarded it as a unicast in this link. So now let's check the reachability. So ping this port here, 10.10.1.1. That's okay. Let's try from this computer here. So show IP, no IP address assigned yet. So same thing, IP DHCP. And also in this local network, DHCP server is working. That's right, that's okay. So this is 0.3 and this is 0.2. Let's try to do a ping from this computer to this computer from two LANs. So ping 172.16.1.3 with the IP address of PC1. Timeout. We see this, and we have no reachability between two sites from local network in the main office and the remote network in the branch 1. Why this? Because we don't configure yet the policy in this FortiGate. So in the next lesson, we will configure together the policy in this FortiGate to make the reachability between two sites and to make this able to ping Google. Let's, before to go, check it. Ping 8.8.8.8. No ping. Okay. So in the next lesson, we will configure the policy here and we will see a NAT because actually we don't enable any NAT from these two sites.